Hey guys, I wanted to show you one of my projects that I'm working on. This is my Willys Jeep project. This is a 1954 model M38A1 military Jeep. This was a Craigslist purchase, and I've been having it at about 3 months, and I've been working on it, but I got quite a few more things that I need to do on it, so if you like, I'll just give you a tour of it. These are not the military wheels. Eventually I'm gonna get the non-directional tires. They're 16 by 7. But this 1954, the M38A1 was the first year that they had the curved fenders. Before that, the fenders were flat. You can see the shackles on the front. These are not the correct headlights. The military headlights were recessed. It's another sign of the M38A1. The military Jeeps had the extra large fuel caps on them, and the whole filler tube is extra large. Glove compartment on the left side. Gauges, I have the gauges, but they're not installed yet. I have a lot of electrical work to do. The black seat there is, on the passenger side, is an original seat, but this one is not. I don't know what this seat is. Another thing that's not original to this model is the tailgate. Military Jeeps never had tailgates, and somebody put this on here at some point. So this is going to be removed, and you can buy panels for it, which I would have to cut this one out and weld in a military panel. And then on the right side, the spare tire would be mounted, and on the left side, a gas can. And then they would have the 2 bumpers in the back. The lights are not military either. And as you can see, there's no back seat. Another interesting thing is, I don't know if you can see it, but underneath this decking, this was the gun mount, so they would have an M50 machine gun mounted here. And here's the panel showing all of the shifting sequences and some of the specs, and there's a serial number on there. I'll show you the engine. F134 4-cylinder engine. This originally was a 24-volt system, and this is where the 2 12-volt batteries would go in this compartment. But I think what happened was somebody put an electrical system, and I think the engine, from a 1956 CJ5. It was the same engine as the M38A1, but the civilian model was a 6-volt, so that's the system I have. You can see the starter is missing. That's being worked on over here. The Bendix was really messed up. You can see the teeth are worn, so I bought a new one, and we just cleaned this up. We're going to put this back together, and then I have a new voltage regulator that's going in. And actually, the old one was good, but I lost it. I went for a ride and it fell off. So that's a $80 part there that I lost. That's a fuel filter gasket that's going in. Needs a lot of electrical work. This has just been pieced together, so I hope that I can get that electrical system working properly, get all the lights working. We've been cleaning fuel lines, blowing them out and cleaning them. Rebuilt the carburetor. I have all new, I don't know if you can see down in there, but new brake lines. all new wheel cylinders. Changed the seals in the wheels to keep the rear end fluid from coming out. I was having some leaks there. You can see underneath. I pulled that back plate off of the differential and put a new gasket on that, changed the oil, and put new brake lines in. Also changed the front leaf springs. I had one that was broken, so I pulled those out and changed them with all of the bushings and shackles. So yeah, so that's my project. I've only been working on it for about 3 months now, and I've got a ways to go before I get it back on the highway, but it's been fun and looking forward to driving it. Okay, hope you like the tour of the Jeep.